Imagine waking up one morning to find an entirely new finger on your hand or an extra toe peeking out from under your sock. While this might sound like the beginning of a bizarre dream, for some people, it's simply how they were born. The human body, though remarkably consistent in its design, sometimes takes unexpected turns in development, resulting in extra limbs or digits that defy the typical blueprint. What causes these unusual formations? Are they harmless quirks of nature, or do they present real challenges? And what can these rare occurrences teach us about the incredible complexity of human biology? The scientific term for having extra fingers or toes is polydactyly, derived from Greek words meaning many digits. This condition is surprisingly common, appearing in roughly 1 out of every 500 to 1,0 births, making it one of the most frequent limb variations in humans. While most cases involve a small, additional finger or toe, sometimes the condition is more extreme, with fully formed extra limbs appearing, though these instances are far rarer. On the other end of the spectrum, some people are born with limbs that are fused together, a condition known as syndactyly, proving just how unpredictable human development can be. So why do these extra limbs appear in the first place? The answer lies in the intricate dance of genetics and embryonic growth. When a baby develops in the womb, their limbs form from small buds that gradually extend and shape themselves under the guidance of precise genetic instructions. Certain genes, like the SHH sonic hedgehog gene, act as master regulators, telling cells where to grow and how to form structures, like fingers and toes. If a mutation or irregularity disrupts these genetic signals, the body might produce extra digits or even duplicate entire limbs. Sometimes, environmental factors such as exposure to certain medications, toxins, or infections during pregnancy can also interfere with normal limb development, leading to unexpected growths. Not all extra limbs are the same. Some are fully functional, complete with bones, muscles, and nerves, allowing for movement just like any other digit or limb. Others are smaller, softer, and non-functional, resembling little more than skin tags. In extremely rare cases, what appears to be an extra limb might actually be a remnant of a twin that didn't fully develop, a phenomenon called fetus in fetu, where a partially formed twin is absorbed into the other's body during early development. These unusual occurrences blur the line between a single individual and what could have been twins, leaving behind traces like extra limbs or even underdeveloped organs. Living with an extra limb can be complicated. Depending on its size and location, it might cause physical discomfort, make everyday tasks more difficult, or even lead to social challenges due to stigma or curiosity from others. Many people with extra digits or limbs choose to have them surgically removed, especially if they interfere with movement or cause pain. However, in some cultures, extra fingers or toes are seen as a sign of good fortune or divine blessing rather than something to be corrected. There are even historical accounts of revered figures said to have polydactyly, further cementing the idea that differences in the body can carry deep cultural significance. Beyond the personal experiences of those born with extra limbs, scientists study these conditions to unlock broader mysteries of human development. By examining how and why limbs sometimes grow in excess, researchers gain insights into the fundamental processes that shape all of us. This knowledge doesn't just help those with limb differences, it also advances our understanding of how tissues regenerate, how birth defects occur, and even how we might one day regrow lost limbs through medical science. Some researchers believe that studying polydactyly could contribute to breakthroughs in regenerative medicine, offering hope for amputees or those with congenital limb deficiencies. The existence of extra limbs serves as a powerful reminder that human biology, though often predictable, is capable of astonishing variation. Every so often, nature throws in a curveball, challenging our assumptions about what's normal. These variations aren't mistakes, they're simply alternate outcomes in the incredibly complex process of building a human being. Whether viewed as medical curiosities, genetic anomalies, or unique traits, extra limbs highlight the remarkable flexibility and adaptability of life itself. So the next time you look at your hands, take a moment to marvel at how they formed so perfectly, or perhaps not so perfectly. If you happen to have an extra digit or two, the human body is a masterpiece of biological engineering, but every now and then, it decides to improvise. And in those improvisations, we find some of the most intriguing stories science has to tell.
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.